Today's job is pretty straightforward actually. Spent 30 minutes to clear all the debris off the top of the bike shed. While I was there, I thought I might as well check that the bikes are okay. They've been in there for several months. When I was checking the bikes, I noticed the floor was pretty wet. Anyway, job went pretty smoothly. And then just as I was about to finish, I realised I'd forgotten to mop up the water off the floor. However, when I went to get back into the bike shed, something unexpected happened.
Right, quick check. Lights. Seems fine. 68% battery remaining. Yeah, looks the same down there. Rear lights. All seems fine. The thing that is a problem though, this is soaking wet. So obviously this is leaking in somehow. So all this in here looks solid. It's falling down from that tree and just collecting down here, and over time that's going to be a problem. What you want to do is flick it into your face. Could do is just take that and strip off. Let's do that. It's an easy fix. Do that now. I mean, it looks better, but it doesn't need to be there, does it? The screwdriver's too big. Right, let's leave that there a minute. Put that on there for now. So I'll mop all that up in a minute, just for now then. Let's put this back on there in a minute. Actually, let's not use that, because if I get that wet it'll ruin it. Let's get a garden brush. Oh yeah, need to mop that up, don't I? Let's use this. And that's sharp, so I'll get some edging strip to put on that. Interesting. Can't get in there. Special special oil. What's going on? My little friend. Yeah, well, I guess I won't be clearing that up. Can't get in. So come back later. Leave that oil to penetrate, and maybe next time it will let me in. Let's try that one more time. I have to grind that off, aren't I? How annoying is that? Had some more somewhere. Up here, I think. Somewhere. Not that one. There's one. I don't think these are supposed to be used outside. It's kind of rusty, look. I need a cover on it. It's not working. Well and truly jammed, locked. Alright, let's do this one, but first, let's get some, give it a bit of protection. This time, while we've got that off, I can mop up that water. Yeah, that wood's dry, so it can't be coming in there.
Maybe it's just condensation dripping down.
Just get a bit of this. Bigger bit, don't want to scratch, don't want to accidentally cut my hand.
So there we go. Bike shed roof is clean. Front edge strip is removed, so in future the debris should just wash off when it rains. We managed to sort the padlock out in the end. It was a bit of a challenge. And then it was a bit of an unexpected challenge as well. But the angle grinder came to the rescue in the end, and we were lucky enough to have a spare padlock anyway. I don't really know why the floor in that bike shed was wet. I couldn't see any leaks anywhere. Perhaps it was just the debris that was collecting water as well, and that was causing the water to leak inside. Anyway, it's all clean now. Everything's dry. New padlocks on. Job's done. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to add a comment, let me know how you're getting on with your DIY jobs. Add it down below. All that's left for me to say now is thank you for watching. Take care, have fun, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.